In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app and selecting photos or albums at the bottom. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hold one of your photos to get rid of. Select Got It and tap on Select All at the top right corners. Now to keep some of your photos, click on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use Remove button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!